Hey everyone, get ready for a cake that's about to become your new favorite. We're making a black bottom banana cake today. It's moist, it's flavorful, and it has a delightful surprise inside. This cake isn't just any banana cake. It features a rich, tangy cream cheese filling baked right into the center. That's where the black bottom magic comes from, creating a beautiful contrast. First, you'll whip up a classic super moist banana cake batter. Think ripe bananas, a hint of spice, and pure comfort. This forms the base of our incredible dessert. Next, prepare your luscious cream cheese filling. It's just a few simple ingredients, blended until smooth and creamy. This will be spooned directly onto the banana batter in your pan. As it bakes, the banana cake rises around the cream cheese, creating that signature black bottom effect. The filling sinks slightly, becoming a gooey, irresistible layer. It's truly a showstopper. This cake is perfect for any occasion, from a casual family dessert to a special gathering. It's easy enough for beginners, but impressive enough for seasoned bakers. Plus, who doesn't love banana cake? It's a fantastic way to use up those ripe bananas on your counter. Get ready for rave reviews and requests for the recipe. Give this black bottom banana cake a try soon.